So for those experienced woodworkers out there, just bear with me for 1 minute while I explain to the beginners what winding sticks are and why you would want them. They're basically two pieces of parallel timber. So that thickness and that thickness are identical and they're both the same. That is the key point. Doesn't matter what fancy wood you use, etc. They must be square on the base and the back. The front can be sloping if you want, it doesn't really matter. A central mark is useful just when you're placing it on the boards, but when you place them like that and look down across them, you can see if one's going up and one's going down like that, you know your board is twisted. And that's what they're for. Now, if in the future you would like me to make a pair of these a bit fancier than these, because these are about as basic as you can get, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, back to dealing with our board. So we know that this and this are high and those two are low. So we need to remove some timber from those two corners. And I'm going to take half from there and half from there and then check it again. So let's move the winding sticks out of the way. Put my little bench stop in there. Put that up against there. Grab a plane. Take a few strokes, nothing excessive, and then I'm going to put my winding sticks back on there and take another look. And we're still a little bit high on both there and there, so we now know that this board is flat. But there's a couple of low spots there, so I'm still going to have to take a little bit of timber from here. This side is now flat. I've checked it both across its width using the edge of the plane, and obviously when I'm doing that I get my eye right down here so I can make sure I can't see daylight anywhere. So now I have a board that I can do the project I planned to do in the first place. Please leave me a comment. Thanks very much to all my subscribers, and until next time, I'm David, I'm the SKINT Woodworker. Now take care now, bye.